Brandon's been an Auto Text Me customer for some time now.
Yeah, year and a half or
Year
so.
and a half, perfect. We just want to come out here and get a couple question and answer sessions with him. So, Brandon, first question I'll ask you is, why did you choose Auto Text Me for your operations at Brotherhood?
So I really wanted something that worked well with my shop management system, something that communicated clearly between the two, and you guys work with Protractor, so it was a simple decision.
Tell me, like, out of all the software you could have chosen, why did you choose Auto Text Me to help run your operations here at Brotherhood?
Well, I wanted something that communicated, like I said earlier, with my shop management system, but I also wanted something that I could easily update customers. Ultimately, I don't want customers calling me wondering what's going on with their car.
Right.
Because that takes up my time and energy and distracts my focus from what I'm doing.
Right.
So I want something that I can just click a button, update a customer, and now they understand, oh, hey, my car's getting worked on, or we're waiting on parts, or whatever the case may be.
What are things that customers do say about Auto Text Me?
That they love the communication, the updates through text and things like that. They just really ultimately love being informed because they don't experience that or haven't experienced that with other shops.
Right, right. That's awesome. We noticed when we were walking in, and we'll get a picture of this, that one of your quotes here from a customer is how well they were communicated with.
Yeah, because the minute we check them in on Protractor, it immediately sends them a text and says, hey, your vehicle's been checked in.
Excellent.
As soon as we move it throughout our workflow process, they get updated every step of the way.
Excellent, excellent. It creates a lot of transparency.
Yeah, customers love it, and it's all over our Google reviews and stuff. I would say 80% of them mention the communication process throughout it.
Tell me, Brandon, if you had a shop owner that's kind of on the fence, they're like, yeah, I want to go digital, but I don't want to go digital, like, what would you tell a shop owner?
Well, I'd ask them first off how much time they're wasting by answering the phone from customers calling to get updates.
Interesting.
Because I think back to when I was doing it as a customer or as a front counter person in my shop, the distraction alone can equal 2-3 hours a day that you're missing things. So when somebody's thinking about, should I do it, should I not? I think it's a pretty simple question just in the communication department. And then the ability to send them a text message with a DVI with pictures, videos, everything explained from a technician. Customers want to hear what's wrong. They don't want to hear it from a salesman. They want to hear it from the person who's working on it. And I think DVI is the best way to do it.
Straight from the technician's mouth, right? I mean, basically, or from his hands.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's another level of transparency. I would agree. It absolutely helps.
For sure.